If you say soy feliz when you mean I am happy right now, your sentence may sound different from what you intended. In Spanish, I am can be soy or estoy, and choosing the wrong one can completely change the meaning. But today, I'll give you a simple way to stop guessing. Here is the rule. Ser tells us what something is. Estar tells us how or where something is. Welcome to Clear Spanish Grammar that finally makes sense. I'm Andres, and today we are going to fix one of the biggest beginner problems in Spanish, ser versus estar. In English, you say, I am tired, I am Maria, I am at home, and I am happy. But in Spanish, these sentences do not all use the same verb. That is why beginners feel confused. So instead of memorizing a long list, we'll use a simple question. Am I talking about identity, or am I talking about condition or location? Ser, what something is. Use ser when you describe identity, origin, profession, or a basic characteristic. Think of ser as the what is it verb. For example, yo soy Andrés, I am Andrés. Ella es doctora, she is a doctor. Somos de Canadá, we are from Canada. El café es caliente, coffee is hot, as a general characteristic. Ser helps you define the person or thing. Estar, how or where something is. Use estar when you describe location, feelings, temporary conditions, or what is happening now. Think of estar as the how or where is it verb. For example, estoy en casa, I am at home. Ella está cansada, she is tired. Estamos listos, we are ready. El café está caliente, the coffee is hot right now. Estar shows a situation, a condition, or a place. The same adjective can change meaning. Now watch this carefully. Él es aburrido means he is boring. That sounds like a personality description, but él está aburrido means he is bored right now. Very different. Ella es lista means she is smart. Ella está lista means she is ready. This is why ser and estar matter. You are not just choosing a verb, you are choosing the meaning. Many beginners say soy cansado because in English they think I am tired. But in Spanish, tired is a condition. So we say estoy cansado if you are male or estoy cansada if you are female. Another mistake is saying estoy de Canadá, but origin uses ser, so say soy de Canadá. Now you try. Answer these 3 questions in the comments. Number 1. I am at home. Do you use ser or estar? Number 2. She is Mexican. Ser or estar? Number 3. We are tired. Ser or estar? If this helped, subscribe to Clear Spanish Grammar because here we make Spanish simple, visual, and beginner-friendly. And if you still confuse tango, soy, and estoy, watch the next video on your screen because that one will help you build real Spanish sentences faster. See you in the next video.